Well, you can trade IPOs. I trade IPOs now and then. But usually I don't trade IPOs on the first day or first week or so. Anyways, so I need a chart to trade. I just can't trade blindly and hoping something will go up. You know, I need a chart to tell me a story. API, yeah, it needs to go sideways a bit more. Then may have a flag here, building here. Paperwork? Nah, it's not that much paperwork. Dividends. I mean, you rarely get into. Nah, you rarely get a dividend. I don't trade dividend stocks anyways. I trade growth stocks. They never, or pretty much never trade it. Sorry, pay a dividend. Guys, that's not how shorts work, or not. That's not how stocks work. It's not like, you know, like if a stock goes up, it's because of short covering, and the stock goes down because of short selling. Shorts are a very small part of the market. There's shorting and short covering at all levels here. There was someone shorting here. There was someone covering here. Someone was covering here. Someone was shorting here. Someone was covering. There's shorting and covering all the way. It's all irrelevant. Just follow the price action. Especially in a stock like this, you can't, like, you know, one like something like Kodak, like one actor can move this thing. It's a very, you know, low float stock, low priced. Like someone with resources could very easily run this thing. You see manipulation in these things all the time. And not so much nowadays, but back in April, May, June, July, you had daily these stocks that some fund was running and creating artificial volume. Something like Tesla, it's just too liquid. There's buying, selling, shorting, short covering at all levels. How much do you lose? I lost 1.5 million on it. Oh, how's Davey Day Trader doing? I unfollowed him. Because it was just a lot of noise and stuff like that. I still think he's entertaining, but you know, how is he doing? Davey Day Trader. No, what's his name? Dave Portnoy. Is he long Tesla? I thought someone said he was dip buying Tesla. Like, was it yesterday or was it 2 days ago? Yeah, I mean he you know, look, they have no idea what the hell, like look at this. Stocks only go up. You see, you know, that's his philosophy. And he has hundreds of thousands of people just following him. And I don't know how many of those think that stocks only go up. He's 4 million down, like down on this Tesla position alone, or down overall since he started trading. The guy is a genius. Like he's a genius marketer. He doesn't know how to trade, but as a marketer and as a business owner, he's a genius. He acts like an idiot, but the guy is a genius. But he doesn't know how to trade. That's another thing. Exactly, that's what I'm afraid of too. Everyone's so eager to buy the dip. And that's why I don't trust this bounce. Like obviously we can bounce back to the 10-day or to the 20 or 10-day, but and if you are a very short-term swing trade, absolutely could work. But I wouldn't be surprised, you know, if that bounce fails and we take another leg lower. Like for me, to get a tradable bounce, like I would love to get one leg lower, like get to closer to the 100-day. Get to levels last seen back in July. Is that the end of the world? that that's something I would be interested in tradable for a tradable bounce. You know, get a real washout. You know, wash out those early dip buyers. Get a real, you know, more sustainable bottom. Groupon. I mean, it looks decent. Like as a setup, this is actually a very good setup. It's a pretty decent setup. Yes, very good momentum. It's a double. It doubled, right? And now it's flagging. Showed relative strength during the sell-off. Had a really tight day yesterday. I would say this is like a 4.5-star setup. This is a really good setup. But will it have followed through? I don't know. WVE. It looks like a decent setup. Not today, but if it breaks out tomorrow, you know, it could work. Alf. No, it's not a great setup. It had a very wide range candle yesterday. Maybe in a few days, if it can tighten up here. There could be a nice setup here in a few days, but it is a little bit stretched stock. Not sure. No. Don't trade the ILM, man. Don't even mention these things in the chat. They're too slow. Roblox. Yeah, this one is building higher lows. Yeah, it's surfing the 50. It's getting tighter. Yeah. Not bad. Not bad at all. Alec. What's there? No, I did not. Yeah, nice volume, perfect EP, you know. Looks good. Well, it looked good. Yeah, I can't say I'm hyper bullish here. Like I was bullish here, like back in early June, etc. When I saw things breaking out of bases, or like, you know, like mid-May, early June. Now it's very few stocks going higher, and these are stocks, you know, you should have bought like a month ago, like Shopify. This little breakout here that I passed on because I thought there were higher ADR opportunities, and I also bought this SC that I got stopped out of the same day, and I never rebought it. But I do have Soxol that I think I started buying it on this day here, and I added a couple of times in the high 30s. And I also have FNGU. So, but I do wish I had gotten some of the individual names too, like CrowdStrike or Net or Shopify. Some of the leading individual stocks. I did mess up that part a little bit. Yeah.